What you doing, Amber? Don't roll off the bed. Good job. You're doing it. Yeah. Good girl. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly?
That looks so crunchy.
I know. She looks uncomfortable. You're doing it. Good job. She's made it about a foot so far. Because her toes used to be able to touch the ankle of the foot that I have bent in. My other foot can't block her anymore. Ember, good job. You're almost there. You gotta get your arm up out there, honey. Yeah. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
Did you get to your binky? I'm worried she's gonna roll herself off the bed. Aw, you got your binky. Good job, honey. You did it.
Oh my gosh.
Did she get it in her mouth?
She got it in her mouth.
Yeah, she knows how to put it in her mouth. Good job, honey. You made it all the way. And you got your binky in right. I caught her with my foot. Okay, that was a little scary. Time to move you. Good job, honey. Love you.
Oh, there we go.
Good love you, honey.
There we go.
Hi. You worked so hard. You earned it. Hi. Hi, Amber.